Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare crashing or blank screen and not launching in startup. Let's fix that guys. Let's jump straight into it. Go to device manager. Open it. This problem you want to go ahead and update the graphics card driver. Go to display adapters. Right click on your display adapter and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. The best driver for your device or already installed, you want to install it. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Thanks for watching my video.